Hello, we welcoming you to this video. In the face of doubt, power and freedom, doubt was my connection to the world. What a burden it would be to lose it. What would become of that? I couldn't believe how well I could see. Living in the face of a possibility can sometimes be difficult in the same way that poetry, music, or deep intimacy can be difficult because they don't explain, describe, or define anything, and it can often bring a feeling of doubt with it. Most of the time, we don't get power and freedom because we want them or think they would be good to have. At the point when we become mindful of having old or restricting perspectives, and analyze them, we open ourselves to options. What gives power and opportunity despite uncertainty is to live in a likelihood that calls for them. We become interested in what could be, we make visions, and we create environments where the pull of possibility is stronger than the pull of doubt. Doing so requires a specific responsibility, certain practices, a specific surrendering and abandoning old ideas, and a clearness that what our identity is and what we say can cause another involvement with living. Possibility grants us power and freedom even in its early stages. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel for more videos.